Good afternoon. Welcome to Midcap Radar. I'm Lata Venkatesh. With me, Gautam Broker. Okay, with that preface, let's move to the first guest we have lined up for you on the show. That's Techno Electric Engineering. It's a wind power company which is about to get some more of its wind energy projects on stream. Joining us now is Padam Prakash Gupta, the Managing Director of the company. Mr. Gupta, thank you very much. You're having a 125 megawatt project scheduled for completion in a couple of months in June. Can you update us on when it will come on stream?
Yeah, the project is on schedule. Out of this, 28 megawatt is ready, out of which 15 megawatt we have already commissioned in March end. And another 13 will be commissioned by 11th-12th of this month. We hope to accomplish this progressively commissioning in April, May, ending by June end.
Okay.
So we already have about,
No, please go ahead. You already have?
We already have 95 megawatt operating capacity as IPP in this segment, and with this 125 will become 220 megawatt capacity company, probably one of the lead ones in this segment of business.
Okay, Mr. Gupta, you know, your last financials that we have, Q3, there was a slight fall in your sales by about 15 crores or thereabouts. You earned 153 crores versus 167 crores. Likewise, your profit was also down to 24 crores from 30 crores. Why were your revenues lower, and how will Q4 be, since you have got at least 1 month of your 15 megawatt wind energy operating?
You see, the wind energy has performed very normally, like 9-10, but basically our major revenue comes from the EPC business in power segment, where we have presence for last 3 decades. Our accounting principles are very different from the rest of the industry, where we account our revenues on payable basis and not on project progress basis. So that is why you will observe that there have been little decline in the first 3 quarters, but it has been taken care in the last quarter.
Your debt levels remain quite high, sir. A debt to equity ratio of about 2 times. That's only when your phase 1 project is underway. You also plan a phase 2 of your project and are in talks with banks to raise funds. What would be the peak debt to equity level that you would be looking out for?
You see, the present debt in the company is only about 0.4. If you see our balance sheet as of March 10, and after completion of 200 megawatt, which we are talking, phase 1 as 125 and phase 2 at 75 megawatt, after this total completion we achieve, by and large debt equity will be in the ratio of 1:1 on a consolidated basis.
Okay, looks like EPC is the biggest contribution to your earnings. How will it change in FY12 when you have your 125 megawatt coming in? What will be the share of EPC? What will be the share of power?
By and large, in 12 we are targeting a growth of about 40% over previous year. And the ratio of EPC and power business will be around 80-20, which is presently around 90-10.
Okay, so how is your EPC business?
So the power segment.
Okay, what is your order book? To what extent you have visibility? I mean, how long do you have orders for your EPC division? And normally, what are the margins in your EPC projects?
You see, we have always believed in EPC business as a, do a project nicely, and we believe in closing a contract on schedule, and it must have at least a OPM of no less than 15%. So by our order book at the moment is around 1400 crores going forward, and we have got a measured growth in EPC business of 20-25% every year, which we have been achieving successfully over last 3-4 years, and going forward also this will continue.
And what is the growth you're expecting?
But more important,
in your EPC division in FY12, will that also grow 40%, or is it that your revenues are growing 40% because of the wind addition?
EPC will grow by around 20%, and balance growth is happening because of the power business.
All right.
The power business growth will be almost about 125%.
Okay, you also have another phase 2 coming up later on in 2012. So what is the FY13 earnings likely to be? Will you get another 40% growth?
Yeah, it won't be 40% growth. You can take in 12-13, it should be around 30% growth. Again contributed by EPC business and power. But the ratio of EPC and power will again improve from 80-20 to about 70-30 in that case.
All right. Mr. Gupta, we'll leave it at that. Thank you very much for joining us with your thoughts. So that's Techno Electric. It will have increasing revenues coming in from wind energy starting this June. Let's take a break. The markets are intriguing. You are seeing the 5850 level holding up. So would it be a good idea to continue with your longs over the weekend? That's the question we will pose the technical expert who is joining us, Jitendra Mehta of Edelweiss, in a minute after this break.